Hi there, students. To count on something. To count on someone. Okay, if you count on someone, you can be confident that you can depend on this person. So you know you can always count on me in a crisis. Yeah, you can count on me to help you in a crisis. Okay, so to count on someone, to rely on something, or to rely on someone. So I think nowadays we count on internet for too many things in our lives. We count on computers, we rely on them, we depend on them, we bank on them. Okay, so if you count on something, or you count upon as well, you expect it to happen. So you can count on John arriving late from class. Yeah, you can be certain it's going to happen. You can include it in your plans. You can count on John to be a vocal supporter of animal rights. Yeah. My team is counting on winning this match. Yeah. But, well, if we should count on it or not's another question. I'll be here tomorrow. You can count on it. And then if you count on someone, you count upon someone, you rely on their support. You know they are going to help you. So don't count on Susan because she's rather unreliable. You can always count on me to buy you a drink if you haven't got any money. Yeah, you can always count on me if you need somewhere to stay. So to count on somebody, to rely on somebody, to depend on somebody, yeah, that something is very important. Yeah, I can always count on my dad to lend me some money. Yeah. Okay, you can count on this. You can take it to the bank because it's guaranteed. Okay, so you're putting your trust in something. You're putting your trust in someone. You can count on Jane to know the answer to this question. Yeah, because she's always very smart. You can count on her to know the answer. So, job security in the current climate. No, you can't count on job security. You may have a job today, but you can't count on it in the future. I hadn't counted on this happening so soon. I hadn't expected this to happen so soon. Okay, so to rely on, to trust, to expect. Yeah. Don't count on being able to get through the traffic in half an hour. It's going to take you longer than that to get to the airport. Yeah. So don't count on there not being any traffic. Yeah. Or you can count in London. You can count on heavy traffic wherever you go and whenever you go. You can rely on it. It's just going to happen. Yeah. Can I count on you to get that job done? Yeah. Okay. One of the problems with having an old car is you can't always count on it to start in the morning when you need it to work. Okay, so to count on someone, to count on something. Okay, this is a phrasal verb. Notice it's inseparable. You can count on me. You can't split the count and the on. Count on me, count on it, count on her, count on them. Okay, formality. I think 4.5. I think maybe, yeah, I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it semi-formally, use it in a semi-formal writing. In a formal writing, I was wondering about that. I think maybe you could use it in a formal writing, maybe not. I'm in two minds about that. And then I guess The origin, well, to count, yeah. I guess this has the idea of being certain about something. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I'm sure I can count on you to give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel where you can count on finding hundreds of other good videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To count on.